Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Did something different with my hair today. I kind of like use curlers, Velcro curlers, and I'm loving the volume, but I feel like it's giving me frizz. Does anybody have any tips on hair, with how to do hair with like what I have here, short bangs, everything? I'm kind of liking it. It's kind of like that messy look, but anyways, today I'm looking over there because my clothes are over there, so I'm trying to remember exactly what I'm trying to film here. Outfits, lookbook on different outfits that I've kind of put together for y'all. Just different styles, different, mostly trendy outfits that we have going on. And I put together this lookbook to give you some more inspiration for the week. Let me know if there's anything else that you want to see, or like certain items that you would want to learn how to style instead. Yeah. But I just love putting outfits together and just kind of putting them out there to see what you guys think of them and if you enjoy it at all. Don't forget about the giveaway on my channel, $700 worth of products, Drunk Elephant. I was thinking about adding a few more things in there, mostly Drunk Elephant. Let me know. You do have to subscribe to enter. I will leave the link of the video that describes the goes into further detail of the giveaway down below, so make sure you check that out. I will tell you, you have to subscribe and you do have to comment in that particular video underneath just to let me know what's your favorite store to shop at, and you will be entered to win $700 worth of products, Drunk Elephant, Tatcha, Armani, Guerlain, Dior, all that fun stuff. And who doesn't want free products? So yeah, and leave your Instagram handle as well in that video so I can contact whoever the winner is. But yeah, make sure you enter. It's an amazing giveaway. And without any further ado, let's get into this video. So I've tried different formats for you guys, and I'm still kind of working on it to see which one I like the best, which one's the easiest to edit. But I kind of change my mind every single time. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below, subscribe, follow me on social media at CanBeReal. Let's get right into this amazing video, and I will see you guys all in my next one. Thank you all for watching. Watch all the way through, because you don't want to miss out on any outfits, right? Bye, guys. Okay, guys, so let's do a little talk through in this one. I have paired this with my husband's blue button-down shirt. You can use any shirt you feel like. This one, I don't feel the need to go out and purchase. I was going to get a new button-down blue shirt, but I mean, this works great. I love it, and it's Armani, so like, I mean, come on. And then the Aritzia TNA biker shorts, and then just the FILA sneakers that I have on. And I honestly find that this is super duper comfortable. I love it. If you wanted to, you can throw kind of a jacket on top and just to keep yourself a little bit warmer. I think it's such an amazing outfit because it's super comfortable and it's super trendy and it works amazing. Okay guys, so this outfit, I was about to do a white shirt underneath, but then I kept the blue shirt on and I was like, wait a minute, the different contrasts in the blue look amazing with the denim. And then to change it up just a little bit to add that kind of a different sort of shade and texture to it, I added the sweater vest on top. The sweater vest is H&M. The shirt is my husband's blue dress shirt. You can use any blue dress shirt you like, button down. And then I did end up leaving the bottom buttons up, just kind of give it that sort of kind of loose vibe, not too tight. And then these are my Levi's high loose jeans that I got from Aritzia. And then I paired it with my Zara shoes. The jeans are too long, so I have them kind of rolled up. Still got to get it hemmed. I love this. I feel like it gives it such a nice, trendy, kind of edgy vibe at the same time. I do have to say that because everything is so, I would say, straight and not curving in, like your waist isn't being cinched in, is why I ended up putting the heels on underneath so I can elongate myself. I'm not super tall. I'm about 5 feet, so that way it just kind of helps, or else everything just kind of looks really, really short with the jeans being wide leg as well. But I'm really loving this. It's so comfortable. You know, you don't feel so like sucked in or anything like that, but it's amazing and I love it, and it just gives you that nice kind of edgy vibe and trendy vibe that you might be looking for. It's so simple to do, and so loving it. So guys, with this one I kept the same high loose Levi's denim on. And then I paired a blue tank, not a tank, sorry, it's like a baby tee from Zara. You can get these like from Zara for only $10. They're awesome. And then you can kind of like match it with everything. I'm really loving the whole cohesive look, like even with denim to add like a blue shirt and stuff. And then this is a denim white kind of shacket that I got last year during their summer sale, and I'm sure that they have tons of them now. I know I saw some blue ones, some pink ones, just a whole bunch of different colors, so check that out. They're just such a nice easy layering piece on top. They're just such a nice easy layering piece on top. And then with this look I did pair it with the FILAs, the sneakers. With this look, I you know, you can kind of get away with it because you've kind of cinched in the waist, whereas the other look that I have, you can't, well, I can't do it and I just don't feel comfortable, but just because the waist has been cinched, you can kind of add the sneakers and you don't look super short like I usually do. But yeah, this is a nice, really comfortable look. I was actually wearing this yesterday. It's just such an easy thing to do, so I love it. I actually had it paired with a hat, which, because I was having a terrible hair day. But yeah, so there you go. Okay guys, so this is one of my favorite looks. It's super comfortable. This has to be one of my best buys, I think, from Aritzia. They're so comfortable. I think they're called the Greenwich pants. They're like carpenter type of pants, but they're so comfortable. I've worn them like tons and tons already. After I got them hemmed, of course. I had to get them somewhat hemmed because I am like super short. And then I paired it again with a Zara baby tee. This one's really old. Any white baby tee would go. And then the Aritzia plunge cardigan, which I wish I had gotten like one size bigger, but like I'm good with this size. I like it. It fits great. And then of course my REEBOK sneakers. It just kind of goes with the whole vibe of things. I wouldn't put these pants on with heels. I just don't think that it's a look that would kind of go, because they are like more of the carpenter style, so more of a rugged, edgy sort of look. So I definitely wouldn't put heels on with this, and I don't think I really need to, because it's like kind of like cinching in the waist anyways. You can see the waist is what I mean by cinching in the waist. So yeah, this is awesome. This is like one of my honestly favorite and comfortable looks. I can wear this like non-stop, honestly. And the white goes great with this sort of tone of pants, because it's got like the white stitching just like everywhere here, all around or whatever. Yeah.
I came to make a name. Got your star and leave it on that pavement. Came to entertain, but what I didn't know is that a stage would be my gauge. Cause when you only see your beauty in the applause, you can't love